Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to put Microsoft Outlook on your desktop, step by step and updated. Whether you're setting it up for work, school, or personal use, by the end of this quick guide, you'll have Outlook ready to launch right from your desktop. Let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser. That could be Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, and head over to google.com. In the search bar, type Microsoft Outlook download. Now, this is super important. Make sure you're clicking the official Microsoft link that says the new Microsoft Outlook for Windows and Microsoft 365. This ensures you're getting the real app, not a fake or third-party version. Once you're on Microsoft's official page, look for the big download button. You really can't miss it. Click it and your computer will start downloading the installer file. I recommend saving it to a location you can easily find later, like your desktop or downloads folder. Next, open the downloaded file. If Windows asks for permission to make changes, just click yes. That's normal. Then follow the on-screen instructions. The setup will automatically install Outlook on your computer in just a few minutes. Once it's done, you're almost ready to go. Now for the final touch, adding Outlook to your desktop. Click the Start menu and type Outlook. When it appears in the list, right-click on it, go to Send to, and choose Desktop. Create shortcut. And that's it. You've now got Outlook sitting right on your desktop, ready to open anytime with a single click. And there you have it. That's how to put Microsoft Outlook on your desktop in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick tech guides, and drop a comment if there's another tutorial you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.